You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's change your username on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon, which is 3 lines. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now tap Personal and Account Information. Tap on Name. Here you can edit your first, middle, and last name. Your username is different. It's the custom URL like facebook.com/yourname. To change that, go back to Settings, scroll to Profile and tap Username. Enter your new desired username. Facebook will check its availability. You can only change your username once every 60 days. Your username must be unique and follow Facebook's guidelines, no impersonation or offensive terms. Tap Save to confirm. The new username will update your profile link immediately. Old links with your previous username will no longer work. Friends will see your new username in their friends list and when tagging you. Remember, your display name and username are separate. You can change your display name more frequently from the name setting. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.